Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download Clickup application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download Clickup application on your Android device, go visit your Play Store. In the search box, type in Clickup and then search. Tap on this app over here, and soon after you do that, tap on the install button to download it on your device. Clickup is a productivity platform that provides a fundamentally new way to work. More than just task management, Clickup offers notes, reminders, goals, calendars, scheduling, and even an inbox. Once the application is downloaded, it'll take a while to install on your device. Once it is done, you can tap open the application, and there you go. That is how you can easily get Clickup on your Android device. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.